Hi, welcome back to Suburban Gardening. I am Amanda in the Zone 8A in the suburbs of Dallas, Texas. Today I am going to be showing you my potting mixture that I use, and I'm going to be filling two of these containers that I want to transplant watermelons into. Now, I got these at Lowe's, and it came with the two center holes, but then I had drilled 4 other holes for drainage. So my soil mixture starts with this potting mix from Happy Grow called Organic Potting Mix. I get this at Lowe's. I also use this Just Natural mushroom compost. It's a little bit heavy. This mushroom compost. I mix in vermiculite. This is the one I just happen to have right now. I also use peat moss. So we got the potting mix we're going to put in. Half a bag of the mushroom compost that's already open, so I'm going to use that. I also have half a bag of the vermiculite. I'm going to use all of that. I'm going to use my feed scoop that I bought specifically for gardening to scoop the peat moss. So that's 1 scoop of peat moss, and I will do one more second scoop. Now I just get in here with my hands and I mix it up. I'm just moistening the soil now and mixing the water. So what you're looking for as far as soil moisture is you want to be able to form it so it stays, but it easily breaks apart. So I think this is pretty good. And I'm just going to do the same thing to this one over here. So in here I have several different varieties of watermelon, and I believe this one over here is the baby bush. So I'm going to leave the baby bush. I'm going to pick 2 of the others. I'm just going to dig them out. There's one. I'm going to take this one from the center over here. All right. Let's get these transplanted. The other ones I'm going to leave as is until I know that the transplants were successful. Sometimes watermelon isn't very good about transplanting, so I want to make sure I have a backup just in case. I'm just going to curl this vine around this trellis right now. Okay, so we're going to take one of my watermelon plants. I'm going to dig a bit of a hole. I'm going to put it in the center and just press gently. Let's get this other one. I do have some cages that I do want to put around these. I don't know if they're going to work as watermelon trellises, but I want to try. And that will probably be tomorrow. So I'm going to get some rice hulls as mulch that I'm going to put around these watermelons. It comes in this big bag. And this is what it looks like. You would think you would be able to easily do this, but it has to be broken apart. I don't know if you can tell. Then I am going to put the rice hulls around, and I'm going to need several scoops of this. Okay, so we got the rice hulls added for mulch. I'm just going to water these in. I'm not going to water too much because tomorrow morning I will water again, and it's already in the evening time. It's like 8 or 9 o'clock. So now I just have the trellises that I want to add, and I will probably do that tomorrow. Okay, so let's get this cage installed. So the longer legs are supposed to be down, so we're just going to push that down. And then the upper legs have this receptacle end. Okay, well, that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.